we spread our Lady's Choice ham spread.
Surprise! It's vlog time!
Alonzo, I made you your favorite crunchy Hamwich.
Whoa!
Hi, moms! Here's another recipe you can make with your kids. The Lady's Choice Crunchy Hamwich. Easy to make na, masarap pa. Here are the ingredients for easy reference. First, we toast the bread. Once toasted, we spread our Lady's Choice ham spread. We're going to put a slice of ham.
A slice of cheese.
And then, apple.
Yeah, to be more healthier.
And then we put the other bread on top. And we are
Done.
Diba? It's so easy to make, and what I love about this Lady's Choice Crunchy Hamwich recipe is that Alonzo can help me prepare it.
Like, share, and subscribe.